Hello everyone! Welcome to Eundo's Book Club. Remember, one day, one book. Now let's get started. Fly Guy vs. the Flyswatter by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy. And Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz! Chapter 1. One day, Fly Guy was eating breakfast in Buzz's backpack. Yumsy! Buzz grabbed his backpack and went to school. At school, Fly Guy flew out. Surprise! Then the teacher said, "We're going on a field trip to tour a factory." Buzz said, "Fly Guy, you can ride in my pocket." The class rode the bus to the factory. They arrived at the factory, the fantastic Flyswatter factory. Bad news! Chapter 2. A tour guide led the class inside. Buzz said, "Fly Guy, stay down in my pocket." The tour guide said, "Here is our Flyswatter Museum." First Flyswatter, Caveman Flyswatter, Royal Flyswatter, Digital Ice Water, Flyball Swatter. "Here is where we make the Flyswatters," she said. "You may each have one." "Now," said the guide, "here is Fred the Fly to tell you more." Fly Guy peeked out. "Boys and girls," said Fred, "we know flies play in slime." Fly Guy nodded. "Flies eat garbage." Fly Guy smiled. "Flies are nasty." Fly Guy got mad. "That's why, boys and girls," Fred the Fly shouted, "we need the Flyswatter of the future, the Super Swatter 6000. Chapter 3. "Now, let's see what the Super Swatter can do," said Fred. "Bring out the fly." The tour guide brought out a tiny fly in a jar. "Release the fly," yelled Fred. "Fly alert!" The Super Swatter started swatting. Whap, 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 whap. Fly Guy cried, "Buzz!" Fly Guy flew to the little fly. The Super Swatter kept swatting. "Fly alert! Fly alert! Whap, 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 whap." Fly Guy took the fly to an open window. The Super Swatter kept swatting. Whap, 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 whap. Fly Guy flew past Fred the Fly. The Super Swatter kept swatting. Whap, 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 whap. Fly Guy flew past the Flyswatter machines. The Super Swatter kept swatting. "Stop! Stop!" yelled Fred. "Everyone out! No more factory tours, ever!" Back at school, the class made an art project. Everyone agreed. Best field trip ever. The end. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the story. Now, let's learn some new words we've read in our book today. Backpack, backpack. Field trip, field trip. Tour, tour. Factory, factory. Pocket, pocket. Tour guide, tour guide. Flyswatter, flyswatter. peak, peak. Garbage, garbage. Future, future. Release, release. SWAT, SWAT. Great job, everyone! Thank you for joining Eundo's book club today. If you like the book we read, please like and subscribe. And I would love to hear from you. So feel free to leave a comment as well. Don't forget, one day, one book. See you tomorrow!